Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to remove all likes on Instagram at once. Friends, due to any reason if you want to remove likes on some selected post or all the posts you have liked on Instagram till date, then you simply need to open your Instagram app. In Instagram app, press on the profile icon. Here you need to press on the three lines. Now press on your activity. Here press on interactions. Under interactions you will find likes. Press on it. Now here you will find all the posts on which you have liked till date. Now to remove your like from any of these posts, you simply need to press on select and select the post. I have selected 5 posts. After selecting the post, press on unlike. Press on unlike again. Friends, as you can see, we have removed our like from 5 posts. So friends, like this you can very easily remove all the likes on others post on Instagram. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.